Tripify, we gather reviews and information for your chosen hotel.
We compare the reviews and ratings of Expedia,
TripAdvisor,
Google,
Booking.com,
all in one video.
So please support us by subscribing.
With spectacular views of the Persian Gulf on one side and a sparkling city skyline on the other. Whether you're looking for a beach holiday or a cosmopolitan cityscape, the resort places you in the heart of the world-famous Palm Jumeirah, where you're no more than a stone's throw away from Dubai's hotspots and just 30 minutes from Dubai International Airport. Stroll the exclusive white sand beach or chill out with a cocktail at one of our many swimming pools. For the more active guests, Fairmont The Palm offers an extensive health club with daily group exercise classes taught by the best personal trainers. The beach also plays host to volleyball, football and water sports. Embark on a culinary adventure discovering a world of international cuisines where soulful service is our strength. Take your pick from our 11 restaurants, inspired by cuisines from Arabia to Europe and South America. There are endless options.
These are ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. Reviews you should consider reading. Here's some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripify, trips made easy.